into this, how to get unlimited free traffic to any affiliate offer, okay, using a free traffic source that's booming right now. So let's dive into this video. First of all, we need to choose a product, okay? So without a product, you can't do anything. So we're going to come to Clickbank. And for Clickbank, we're going to go to a marketplace. We're going to go to health and fitness, okay? So in health and fitness, I'm going to choose one of the products down here, and I'm going to see what I can find. So I'm looking into this product. It's got 824 gravity. I'm just going to promote this product for now, okay? So I'm going to come here, click on promote. I'm going to get my username here. Continue, and I'm going to copy this Clickbank affiliate link. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to a website called Bitly. So let's just wait for it to load. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to come on, click on create new, shorten a link. I'm going to paste that Clickbank affiliate link here. I'm going to come here and we're going to see if it gets me the title. No, it didn't. So let's just go back to Clickbank. Come back to Bitly. CB weight loss product. Okay. And I'm just going to come down and I'm going to create, let's see, what was the spelling? It's a quite weird name. Lean belly fat. Okay. Is it a weight loss product? Let's just check that out. Okay, so let me just click on it to see if it's a weight loss product. What is it all about? Detox laser flush your organs to aid of kickstart your journey with tea research using every single day ingredients. Scientists got shocking new cause of Okay, so I'm looking into the product, and no matter what I try, my weight will just, especially on my belly. Okay, so it's a weight loss product. So we're going to call belly fat, create up link. Okay, so we're going to keep this link, okay? Now, the second step is we're going to use a tool, an AI tool called DeepSeek. We're going to go to DeepSeek. It's free to join. Go to DeepSeek. I'm going to tell DeepSeek, can you create a post for me which is engaging related to belly fat, no more than 50 words. Make sure it's catchy, catchy, snappy, and what can I write here? Make sure it's catchy, snappy, and curious. I hope. Let's just see what DeepSeek has to do. Okay, this is looking good to me, man. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna just take this one, okay? And I'm gonna post it, okay? So I told you the free traffic source that I'm gonna share in here, and you need to do this every single day, okay? If you don't do this every single day, don't expect to get traffic. This is for people who's gonna do it every single day. So the free traffic source is called threads, okay? You need to come here and let's just post something. Let's just post this, okay? Okay, I'm just gonna take my affiliate link down here and I'm gonna post it. You can post this straight inside. It's about belly fat won't budge. It's not just about crunches. Discover the real secret to melting it away. Hint, your kitchen plays a bigger role than the gym. Ready for the truth? Ready for the truth? Go here. Okay, let's just go here. Okay. And there you go. I just got that. And I'm gonna post it. Now guess what? This traffic source is getting so much traffic, so much comments, okay, and so much engaging. You need to start utilizing this before the masses do. Okay, right now, you post anything, you're gonna instantly start getting results and start getting so much engagement, etc. So you need to start doing this before it's just too late and it becomes wild competition, okay? And you can promote any product with this, okay? So let's just do this. Let me just post this here. Okay, let me just view it. Okay, so I just posted that. If I click on this, warning, this URL has been blocked by Bitly system as potential harmful. We recommend you close your browser window and identify the person who sent you this link. Okay, I didn't expect that. Let's just go back. Alright, so they have said that they have blocked that link. So I need to go back to the links. Alright, if I click here, can't believe it that Bitly's starting to do that. Bitly never does that. Alright, so let's go back to Bitly. And let's see if it's working with another one. Right? So if I come here and let's see, this one, is this one working? Okay, this one's working. So let's just take this one, okay? I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna come back to thread. See, that's why you need to check, okay? So I'm gonna come here. I'm gonna edit this post. I'm gonna just make sure that I post this. Done. Editing, just waiting for it to update. View, and there you go. Let's just click on this. And boom! Okay, so we just promoted another product, okay? It's called Java Burn, okay? So we're gonna start getting some traffic, start getting some engagement, okay? Now this is a free traffic source that you can use. Unlimited free traffic.